Amechi, Rotimi Amechi, Minister of Transportation. You call you look at your name. Where is transportation? Where what did they transport? What did they do? They office nothing I get. No sense, no brain. No sense, no brain. Now the youth come worst pass. Somebody they sit down, they deceive now. So if now your papa, now your mama, them bushad, Rotimi not go even see talk anything. He no go talk. They are trying to hide Boko Haram atrocity. They are trying to hide Fulani herdsmen atrocity. They don't want to say anything. They don't want to do anything about it at all. Rotimi, thunder we go fire all of una. The thunder we go, the shot, the Amadioha we go kubuwe, we go kill all of una. If they come. The Amadioha, the gods of the land, we go kill una if they come. You people will rot in jail. Rot in hell. Rotimi, you will rot in hell. You will rot in this earth and you will rot in hell. Because you people are evil. You are all evil. You are wicked. Wicked to yourself, to your children, to your generation, to the masses. You are wicked, Rotimi. Something like that happened. You could not even address it. Even if na small, truth you want put them. Even if na small, just small. Let there be an atom on it. What if they thought say you not see? They see you. The video was so clear. They saw you, we saw you, we see you. Don't look say we not did that country. That be one thing where we say they don't know. Those people where did this zoo. That be one thing where una don't know. Listen, before una they get news, we don't see them. Before una they see them, we don't see them. Probably you don't get network. Probably you never feel your phone. Probably you never even before una they see them, we don't say so. There is nothing where no they happen for that country where we don't know. That's why they come out, they advocate. Yes, that's why they come out, they talk to una. These things now where Rotimi do, it don't reach for the youth to hit the streets. It don't reach. So if Rotimi now do this kind of thing, you where your mama they send Gary, if you not go farm, you not go fix that Gary. What do you go do? If something like this happen to Rotimi, he deny him. You where your papa they go farm to harvest yam and all that to take give you chop or to take send you go school. What do you go do? Tell me. You see why the thing they pay me? You see why the thing they vest me for you people? Let's not talk about the pastors. Let's not talk about the deaconess. Let's not talk about the dadigios. Let's not talk about the reverend fathers who not fit stand to protect Christian. Who not fit stand to advocate. Okay, for una dadigi-o Adeboye. When una dadigi-o, you know how many people before they killed that what do they call her, chairman of Christian, or how they call her? I know they know his name. Before they killed that man, you know, I won't tell me so they never kill a whole great man of Christian. Of course, you're welcome. Of course, they don't kill. But none of una come out. But as una hear say America say Nigeria bound, no visa for Nigeria, you can't see una dadigi-o begin protest, mutual protest, a protest that didn't even last 1 hour safe, a protest that didn't even last 1 hour, and he's going for that protest. He was with all security around him. All security you can think of is with him. Then when you go back to church, he will sell you handkerchief, he will sell you holy water, he will sell you olive oil, he will say pray, he will say fast. But while he's using physical protection, he's using them, paying them with your tax, with your tithe, yes, with your tithe and with your offering. Tell me. And yet you don't want to open your eyes. You don't want to wake up and smell the coffee. Same thing the politicians are doing, Rotimi and all. Same thing they are doing to you people. The same thing all of them are doing. Come on, guys. Come on, people. When you talk, you will see some idiots who carry phone and start typing. Like the last video I make, somebody said, am I mad? Like, seriously? Yes. I told you people, not be person where they no man, not fit talk, not fit confront all these useless people. Now only who they mad, who not they okay, now I go do one. Because the situation don't reach like this. The situation, it don't overfuck up. The situation, it don't pass Gary, water pass Gary, that be the situation. So people they mad. Nobody go see how they take, how Boko Haram say, Hala, Wakba, carry cut class, cut that man neck in broad daylight like that, and make it remain the same. I really feel for you people. I pity you people. I pity all of una. Where be say, when una go see people go spend time, sit down for front of camera, they talk to una. Una go, they carry hand, they write. Where be say, Rotimi, see, you almost want die. The attack train when in day. But what did he do? He come out, can't tell una, say na lie. Nothing like that. So what do you expect? What do you want? Tomorrow you will carry yourself and go to church. Pastor will stand in the pulpit and tell you what to do and pray and this, that. Tomorrow, your mama, your papa, no go fit go farm because of Fulani headsmen. The highest they will say you should do, come and pray, fast and pray. When the Bible said, prayer without work is worthless. You no go say you dey pray, make Fulani headsmen no carry gun. He go must carry gun. Apostle Suleiman, in short, Pastor Suleiman, because I don't know who they give their name. I don't know who they give their name. He come, he talk. Anywhere you see Fulani headsmen kill, he go jail for that word. Just that ordinary word. No, I don't see any Christian will protest. Say why you go arrest him. Till today, till tomorrow, you hear Apostle Suleiman mention that word again. No. Probably as they come up for that jail, they give him Ghana must go or envelope. Envelope mean what they call them? What they call them asenyo. Check. Now, if I say envelope, make una just know say na check I dey talk about. So tell me. And this man where they kill so this oga of Christian so where they kill, he come out he come out for video. Say una save am. None of them. None of them. Now una go come to say na Pope they say make America do something. No, the world they are all watching. Even if you try to hide the truth, even if you try to cover the truth must come out by himself. Not be person they talk am. Not be person. Just look at how the whole world discuss about Nigeria. Even today in my working place, they discuss about Nigeria. They talk about it. Me, myself, I will be asking, how do you see it? How you take it? We go say, we didn't watch news. We didn't watch this thing now. The whole world is talking about Nigeria. We don't need, IPOP no need to waste time to come go meet America. Say, see, they see what is going on. They see what is going on. They know what is going on. They see them, my people. They see them. They are seeing it every day. Okay, you want to tell me, say, before Boko Haram, Busha person say, Allahu Akbar, cut human being neck. Cut human being neck, separate his neck from his body. Do you think America will see that and say, bravo to Nigeria? No. I'm very happy, very, very happy that they distraught you people not to get visa to come to their country because you are all evil. You are all evils. the pastors, the GO, the apostles, name it, reverend fathers, you are all evil. That's why they banned you people. They banned you all not to come to their country. When you hold Nigerian passport today, they will search you like hell. Whether you carry bomb, because you are the third. Nigeria was one of the oil producing country before. Then later joined 6 of the oil producing. Now today it's not even, they don't even recognize your oil anymore now. They recognize you as terrorists. Terrorists. The third. And I even think, say, yes, if to say, truly say, as the thing they go, oh, they see them all the time since when this killing starts. Una know they hide them. Una for don't be number one. The short, the not be even number one, self, the ultimate, you know, when they say ultimate, the highest on the highest. No, not for be. You are all evil. Chukwokika Abiyama is against evil. You are all evil, from the politicians, the pastors, and all of you people. You are all evil. Onubu, Ekwesu. Nabi Ekwesu, worse than the devil himself. You stand in the pulpit and pray where you are evil. You stand in the pulpit and pray where you are evil. You stand in the pulpit and preach when you are evil. You stand in the pulpit and lay your hands on a man's head or woman's head when you are evil. Evil. So tell me, Lai Mohammed said because of some people they stopped Nigeria they banned Nigeria not to come to America. No, don't say that, my dear, because you have proven it. Even when they investigate you, you said it. You lie in their presence. You lie. Not because of anybody. No country will accept you people when you kill in cold blood like that. Nigeria is crying of blood every day. Children are dying. Masses are dying every day. And you will come and stand and say, you're proud to be Nigeria. What a shame. Let me put this one for Sowore. Moyole Sowore. Moyole Sowore. I know say you go know me. I know say you go know say this one now that girl, that lady we campaign for me some months ago or let me say a year ago. I know say you go know me. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed on you, sir. With all due respect. That is so disappointed on you. I was thinking as you come out, so all your attention is to divide Nigeria. All your attention is to either you join Oduduwa or you join Biafra. Look at them. I know, but who cares? The truth of the matter is that I'm so disappointed on him. Yes, whoever that stand and call himself Nigeria, my dear, you leave me no option to tell you that you are a terrorist. You leave me no option to tell you that you are worse than Boko Haram. Because the only thing you all know, the only thing that will save people in that country is to separate. What are you looking for? Mr. Moyole Sowore, wait till you define. Even that your AAC alone, it can make a country. If you so much wish to be president, I so much believe in you, sir. I really. That's why I make all those campaigns. I fight even when people call he's a scammer, he's this. I even carry enemy self. I carry enemy. Till tomorrow, I find it difficult to believe what they are saying. But the way I see things right now, you leave me no option than to believe what they are saying, sir. when you see the killings, how everything, you even, when they arrested you, when they arrest you, you see nobody even come out to advocate. Only protest alone, you won't see 15 people there. You will not see. All is still Biafrans that did everything. And you come out, sir, you don't even say, make you check your wife. Look your wife face for everything the way she do. You don't see pity your mom, your mother. You don't give them free. You don't let them. You don't give them that freedom of to separate, to divide Nigeria. 2023, is that what it's all about? You don't go reach anybody hand. The way Nigeria did so, you don't go reach anybody hand. Mr. Moyo Lesowore, you don't go reach anybody hand. I'm telling you, 2023 is going to be something else. Not onto this cold blood. Not onto this killing of everyday soul. Yes. When you were in jail, I know how many of people who said they call themselves revolution now, how they use your jail to make money. The only people that stand for you with their truthful mind, that the AY citizen. Mama Kilas and Mommy Angela, those are the people I see that they really stand with their truthful mind. The rest of them were making money through your problem. And you come out. I was thinking maybe now you're going to work hand to hand with Omadike, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or you work hand to hand with your people Amoteku. But no, sir. No, sir. I see the Nigeria flag in your neck, green and green. No. Sir, 2023 will not take place for anybody. Before 2023, Nigeria will break into how many places? Nigeria will perish. People say a lot of things about you, and yet are not still tomorrow. People are saying, my president, let it be that president of one nation, not be under Nigeria, not be under British. I've said my own. You people should make things right. You people should make things right, because the end is going to be too bad for each of every one of you who really use that country for caricature business. The end is going to tell on you people. The end shall tell. So bad. Trust me. Trust me, people. Your AAC is enough to be a country. If you say, okay, you not be Yoruba well, or you be Yoruba from Ijo or whatever. Your AAC people, it's enough to be, if not president, you define. Edo they fight for governor. Benin they fight for governor. And which country again they fight for governor under AAC? Anyone. But it's enough. I don't want to go further like this. I just, enough is enough for the wise. For the wise people who wise. Now one word, now picking. When mama and papa, when get mama and papa they talk. Who no get? He go use that they one corner, they pick them. To take the lane, they go. Small pikin go talk to big person, he go here. I so much respect you, but I'm so angry. I'm so disappointed. I disappoint on everything I see on you since they release you. Since you come out, people were shouting. IBOP were shouting when they rearrested you. But all the people that collect go for me, from Italy to all the places I can think of, I didn't see them. I don't see them all. Now they are all changing to YouTube. Now they are all in YouTube. They are all in YouTube. I sit down here. I tell the judiciary, the judge, we call it judiciary. The judge, until nothing, they will release you. Until nothing will attach to it. The moment they hear judge say, go and bring so amount, all of them will do it, go for me. Do it, go for me. But I sit down here, I say, what will happen to Nigeria? This one. That they should sue the Nigeria today. Are they not coming from outside to investigate them? Are they not coming to investigate them? Okay. Sir, I really disappoint. Total disappointment. This is what they call disappointment, because I was expecting, say, you go there with Omadike, or you go there with one IPOP, or you go there with Oduduwa. All the people that they say Oduduwa must come now. I think, say, you go there. You are still fighting to be president 2023. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Close that chapter and find your own country. Gather your own country. Who says 100 people not going to make a nation? Who says so? Who says so? That 200 people not going to make a nation? Go to WhatsApp group, the way that they use AAC till they make money. Hey, go and see how they are doing. Now only one WhatsApp group I see say they clean. The one way that they say, I don't want to go further. The only thing when I just talk, when they always give God the glory for, when they thank una for, say, una help me well, hasting my footstep to find my roots. Una do well for the way I see well, the one that they do. Una help me to embrace my family IPOB. Una really help me a lot, and I'm so happy. I am not regretting it. Any war I fight to regain Biafra, it's a blessing to me. But any war I fight to gain Nigeria, it's a disgrace to me. So I reject and I rebuke being Nigeria.